Alex Moore with Premier Crop Service. We're located in central Michigan. We custom pump basically for dairies. Kind of found out about pucks probably 15 years ago, messing around on the internet looking at agitation boats, and they had a pump school. Decided to go to that, and at the time Ben Puck was doing it. This is my second pump school I've been to out here. Just a good time to get the guys away and surround yourself with good people. We know that's one of the most important things that we can do is be around good people. People that want to take it to the next level and do a good job. We typically flow around 3,000 to 3,500. We pump through a lot of buried pipe, a lot of 12-inch, some 10-inch, all 10-inch hose basically. Pretty comfortable right there, able to hold stuff together good and just be able to knock out gallons every day. Being able to put a system together that matches horsepower, hose diameter, distances you're going to pump, being able to figure that all out and make a system work, to find that weak point and to be able to take it to the next level. That's why we come back and appreciate the support.